friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix DISM host servicing process high CPU usage in Windows PC. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. First of all, you have to go Windows setting. For that you need to key Windows plus I, then click on privacy and security, click on Windows security, then click on virus and threat protection, then click on scan now. After complete the scan, close it, then go to the services. Here you search background intelligent. You can see here background intelligent. Double click on this. If here startup type automatic, you should disable this option, then click on apply, click on OK. After that, restart your PC or laptop, fix your problem. So in this way, fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.